Now the same sum is done in method number 3. Method 3 is called method of cross multiplication. So again I repeat, solving two variables can be done in 3 or 4 methods including graph. It depends upon what is the question and what is the syllabus. So you can join our Zoom app where we teach online classes according to syllabus and according to your textbook. If you come under CBSE or ICSE, but this is general method we are giving it. So if you are very particular, you can join our online Zoom app classes. We'll teach you more. Any doubts or anything, we'll give test and all. We'll correct and give you. So the same sum simultaneous is done with third method called method of cross multiplication. So if they ask this particular method, you can do it. It depends upon the syllabus, what you learn it. So these 3 methods we're generally teaching it. Any particular book or syllabus if you want, you can happily to join our Zoom app. Now look here, you write the x, y and minus 1. See, when this side is called minus 1. Okay, this is called minus 1. Every time you put minus 1 and write the coefficient. The coefficient of x is actually 3. You write 3 and 1. You write minus 2 and 1, 4 and minus 4 and 3. Again write this x and y. Now look here, many schools and many of them will write only 3. They write only x, y and minus 1. They won't write this extra. But if you write this extra, is it less strain to the brain? You can do it clearly. Otherwise you have to struggle. So some of them are very fast and some of them can't grasp it. If you write all 5, it's very safer and very easy. And I'll show you how it is safer and easy instead of writing only 3. Again I repeat, they write only these 3 numbers, they won't write this, but you write all 5. Now it will be very easy. Look here, put this x and close the x. Put this x and close the x. And look here, you multiply like this. Minus 2 into 3, that's what I wrote here. Again I repeat, you close this x and write this minus 2 into 3 here, and what you do is do this in the reverse direction and you put minus in the middle. So first you put the x and close this and write minus 2 into 3 and put the minus in the middle, 4 into 1. Next what you do, you close the y, you write the y and close it and put what? 4 into 1, and this you put a minus and do this, minus 3 into 3. That's what we wrote here. Again I repeat, close this y and write 4 into 1 and put the minus in the middle, minus 3 into 3. Okay, this minus comes in the middle. Last one, put this minus 1 and put equal to in between and close the minus 1. Put 3 into 1 and put this minus 2 into 1. That is why I said you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's easy and what? You can't make much mistake. All of them write only 3 of this. They don't write this x and y, but it's much safer. You can do it easily. So x, look here, 2 3s are what? It's minus 6. 4 1s are minus 4. Put equal to 4 1s are what? 4. 3 3s are 9. Just multiply, expand this, minus minus plus. This step you write. Now what you do, split the page into 2. Write this is equal to this directly first. Number 1. To find x, you write x by minus 10. See, minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10. You write minus 1 by 5. Now keep the x, take this minus 10 that side. It will go and multiply, it will go exactly minus 2 times. So x is equal to minus 1 into minus 2, x you get the value. Next for y, put this is equal to this. This is equal to this. That's why you split the page into 2. Y by minus 5 equal to minus 1 by 5. See, 3 plus 2 is 5. Now what will you keep the y? This you take that side, it will go and multiply. So 5 will go in minus 5, minus 1 times. So you get y equal to minus 1 into minus 1, it is plus 1, and solution set is 2, 1. So this is called the cross multiplication. Apart from this, there are a lot of models with fractions, with decimals and all, with the root and all. That's why I said if you want anything, you can ask in the doubt. But if you want regular coaching or regular classes, you can join our Zoom app classes. We teach you thoroughly. Now we'll go to the fourth method called graphical method. The two equations are given. You write this equation in the standard form by taking the minus 3. That's where you get plus 3. Now look here, x is given in terms of y, or if you want you can make it y in terms of x, but here we have written x is got when you put values for y. So first we put some values for y equal to 1, we take this value y equal to 1, you substitute the box, x is equal to 4 plus 2y by 3, x is equal to 4 plus 2 into y, you put as 1 by 3, x is equal to 4 plus 2 by 3, x is equal to 6 by 3, and x is equal to 2. So you get the value 2. When you put y as 1, you get x as 2. So write as 2 comma 1. X should come first, y should come next. Don't write 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1. Next, like that, you take the same box and put some value for y. X is equal to 4 plus 2y by 3. Right hand side we got y. So this value you have to give it. But if you write y in terms of x, you must give values for x. Next value you can give y is equal to 4. You give a value 4. X is equal to 4 plus 2 into 4 by 3. You get x is equal to 4. 2 4s are what? 8 by 3. X is nothing but 12 by 3, which is 4. So you get x equal to 4. So when you put y equal to 4, x also you get as 4. Write here 4 comma 4. Last you give you one more values for what? Y. Generally 3 values is safer. If you want, you can give even 4 values. So you write what? Y is equal to minus 2. You write for x is equal to 4 plus 2y by 3. X is equal to 4 plus 2 into minus 2 by 3. X is equal to 4 minus 4 by 3, which is 0 by 3. You get x is 0. So you get x is 0 comma minus 2. Similarly, you must put for the other side. Other side is very easy. There is no number down. There is no denominator down. So you can do it happily. When you got a denominator, you must put little carefully. Even if you get a point also, you can put it. But you do little calculation, you get it easily. So what you get is x is equal to 3 minus y. Now you put value for y. We put the first value y as 1. X is equal to 3 minus 1, which is 2. So you get x as 2. So when you put y as 1, you get x as 2. See 2 comma 1. Next is you put what? Y as minus 1. So it will cancel. So when you put y as minus 1, we are substituting y as minus 1. So you get x is equal to 3 minus y, which is 3 minus of minus 1, which is 3 plus 1 equal to 4. So you get x equal to 4. So when you put x equal to 4, you get y equal to minus 1. That's what I wrote here, 4 comma minus 1. The last one is x will put as 2. In fact, this side is much more easier, no denominator. So x is, you put, or not x, y you put as 2, you get the value of x. 3 minus y, which is 3 minus 2 is 1, you get x equal to 1. So you get answer 1 comma 2. So first you have to prepare this table and afterwards you must draw the graph. After doing the tables, we plot the points now to get it. This is an approximate graph only. So x-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit because the maximum value is only 4. Y-axis 1 centimeter you can put as 1 unit. Y-axis also maximum is 4. You can draw it. If the values are quite big, you must take actually 2 centimeters 1 unit like that. Even some sums will have 5 centimeter or 10 centimeter. Here 1 centimeter is. Now we must plot the point. The first part is 2 comma 1. Look here, x is 2 and y is 1. So this is the first one. 2 comma 1. As I said, this is an approximate graph. Second one is 4 comma 4. X is 4 and y is 4. So this point almost 4 comma 4. The third one is 0 comma minus 2. This is called 0. 0 comma minus 2. So this point. Now you join this line, you get the first equation 3x minus 2y equal to 4. Now plot the second table 2 comma 1. Look here, the same point you are getting 2 comma 1. This is called the solution set. 4 comma minus 1. 4 comma minus 1 will come down. It will come here. 4 comma minus 1. 4 comma 4. 2 comma 1. 0 comma minus 2. The last one is 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 is here. Draw the second line. Both this line cut at this point. This is called intersecting lines. So From this you can get the value of x. Look here, if you draw a dotted lines, you get what? Solution set. You get x as 2 and look here, y as what? 1. So you get the answer 2, 1. So this is called actually consistent equation. These two are called consistent equation, and this graph is called intersecting lines, and it's also called only one solution or particular solution. The condition is actually, this is called A1, this is called B1, this is called A2 and B2, okay, and this is called the C1, C2. The condition is A1 by A2 not equal to B1 and B2. Look here, A1 is nothing but 3, the coefficient, and B1 is nothing but what? B1 is minus 2, A2 is 1, see this is 1 here, and B2 is also 1. So B2 is also 1, so if you put it, you won't get it. So this is called intersecting lines. Like that, there are 3 more graphs. As I told you, there are a lot of models. We got even statement sums. We got also called statement sums, where statement sums is there. And lot of models, graph models also, there are a lot of model called particular solution, inconsistent solution and all. So what we taught is a minimum one, you can do it. If you want more of it, if you want to make a thorough study based on a syllabus or your textbook, you can join our Zoom app classes. Thank you.